How to send the location in Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can send location in Messenger, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to send location in Messenger, all you have to do is go and launch the Messenger application here, and then simply navigate to the chat to whom maybe you want to send a location to. Once you've done that, you can just go ahead and then basically tap the little plus icon from the bottom left here, and then here you'll find a little option called location. So when you tap this location option, you'll be able to allow the access for your location to Messenger application here, and now you can just select start sharing the live location, and then you should be able to find them. This way you'll be able to send or share location on Messenger. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.